Dear Taurus people, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Hope you all are staying safe and keeping well in this difficult time. This short video presents a spiritual message for you for the month of July. I use the power of love activation cards to guide me with this message. The message focuses on some of the attitudes you need to have within you to power your love and to give expression to it in every aspect of your life as you enter into and live through the month of July. Since it is a general message, it may not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. I have pulled out 4 cards after shuffling the cards well and praying to the divine to give you the message you really need as you enter into the month of July. The theme of the first card is detachment. The description on the card reads, "You are releasing old patterns and ideas that no longer serve your highest ideals of love." Detachment calls for releasing your past situations of hurts and pains. You need to disengage and let go your accustomed ways of thinking and acting that are based on those past hurts and pains. This in turn will help you to release the uncertainty, doubt, fear, shame, and regret associated with your past and replaces them with a sense of positivity, hope, and trust. Thus, detachment brings a state of equilibrium, calmness, and balance. As a result, you are able to evaluate your life objectively and understand that you are in charge of your own life, your choices, and your actions. The theme of the second card is unity. The description on the card reads, "You understand that the love shared with another is amplified and has a ripple effect across the universe." Having achieved the state of equilibrium, balance, and objectivity with the help of the attitude of detachment, you are now ready to open yourself to others, both within your inner and outer circles, without the hangover from the past affecting you. This freedom to share and to be with others can open a new world of possibilities for you in every aspect of your life. The union of mind and heart with others empowers you to face life with courage. The theme of the third card is responsibility. The description on the card reads, "You are aware of the power of your thoughts and the amount of love you express." Freeing yourself from the prison of the past by the attitude of detachment and forging new alignment with others by the attitude of unity, you become mindful of your world, namely your circle of love and life, and make it a better place for yourself and those you care. Right mindfulness, as the great Buddha teaches, implies thinking of others with compassion and love, and taking responsibility to make their life better. Your right mindfulness makes you a person responsible for yourself and others. The theme of the fourth card is transformation. The description on the card reads, "You use the power of love to make through illusions and shift into awareness. Your journey through detachment, unity, and responsibility helps you to discern truth from falsity, reality from illusion, light from darkness, and life from death. This new awareness of truth, reality, light, and life brings about genuine transformation within you. It helps you to perceive yourself, your situation, and every person within your world, that is, in your circle of life, from a higher spiritual perspective. You open yourself to the purposes of the divine or the universe and become an active agent of transformation, your situation and your world, to achieve the purposes of the divine. Dear Taurus friends, the universe calls you during this month of July to be such an agent of transformation in your life situation. Be open to the call of the divine. Learn to be detached. Be open to the divine and others. Be mindful and be responsible in order to be the agent of transformation of the divine. May you experience the abundant blessings of the divine very powerfully during this month of July. That with the divine assistance, you can make a difference in the life of everyone you encounter. This is my wish and prayer for you during this month. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.